Hello, in front of me I've got SENNHEISER Momentum 4. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Smart Control. Install this app. And now open the app. Tap Start, Allow, Next, and that's all. Allow, and now allow Bluetooth. As you can see, when your headphones are already connected to your smartphone, it will be recognized via app automatically. Get started, continue. Let's skip this. Tap done and it's set. Your headphones are now connected with the app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.